Hi, today we're back in the daily halacha, continuing on Ilchot Shabbat. As we spoke in the previous classes on the melacha, performing a melacha on Erev Shabbat, on the eve of Shabbat. There was such a case of activating a melacha in a different time zone, such as faxes, telephone calls. What is the halacha in regards to that? Now, one is permitted to do a melacha act during the week that will cause a melacha to occur simultaneously in another time zone where it is presently Shabbat. For example, one may send a fax during the week to another country where it is Shabbat. Second of all, one may place a telephone call on Friday to speak with a non-Jew in another country where it is Shabbat for Jews. Placing the call is permitted even though the caller is causing the phone to ring or is activating an answer machine, electric lights, electric current in another location. Accordingly, a Jew in New York may place a telephone call on Motzei Shabbat, Saturday night, to a non-Jew in California where it is still Shabbat for Jews. Melacha occurring in another time zone is permitted because the Torah prohibition of melacha is determined by the Shabbat hours and the place of the person doing the melacha, not where the melacha activity occurs. In other words, melacha on Shabbat is determined by the time and place of the one who performs the melacha, not by the time and place of the occurrence of the melacha. Talking on the phone with a non-observant Jew in another country, for example in Israel, where it is Shabbat is forbidden because this is equivalent to deriving benefit from a Shabbat transgression. A Shabbat transgression of the non-observant Jew in Israel. Similarly, a Jew in the United States is forbidden to tune in to an Israeli radio station broadcasting from Israel where it is Shabbat, even though it is not yet Shabbat in the United States. Listening to a program would be equivalent to benefiting from Shabbat transgression of the Jewish broadcaster in Israel, which is forbidden.